Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to select coin by making use of RoyalQ bots. I strongly believe that you have already activated your RoyalQ account with $100 and you have $20 here. When you click on mine, so once you click on mine, you should have $20 where you see assets. You should have $20 where you see assets here. Okay, because you need $120. $100 is for the bot for 1 year, and the remaining $20 is where when you are making profit trading with this bot, they will be charging you 20% of that profit. If you make $1, 20 cents will go to RoyalQ, and those are the money that you are using for maintenance, and as well they are distributing it among members that are actively promoting RoyalQ business, because these people are really trying. They normally do constant updates, and I think that is what we need to for this software to be in the market for a long period of time. It needs constant update. Okay, now once you have money here and you've already load your Binance account, you can start with minimum of it depends on the amount you have, but the minimum amount that you can start with is $100. I'm talking about your trading capital, which means $100 plus $120. You have minimum of $220 to start with. $120 for the bot and the gas fee, which is $20, and $100 for trading, minimum trading. I have people that I'm using $100,000 to trade. I have people that are using $200,000 to trade, $50,000, $20,000, $10,000, $5,000, $3,000. The more you have, the more you are going to make. And as a matter of fact, conservatively, we can make between 10 to 50% in a month. In a worst scenario, you make 10% of your capital, and in a month you can make between 10 to 50%. Okay, this bot didn't record a loss. Your money is safe. It is with Binance. And you have access to it at any time. Tomorrow night you say, okay, you don't want to use the bot again, you need your money, my friend. Your money is in your Binance. You can just go to Binance and exchange it back to Naira. You can make use of Snappy Exchange to exchange it back to Naira. You can sell it to Snappy Exchange. You can buy USDT on Snappy Exchange as well. You can as well sell it, and you can as well buy USDT on Binance too. But buying USDT on Binance, you need to go through P2P. So either Binance or Snappy Exchange, you can make use of them. You can buy and sell on Snappy Exchange. All right, let's go. So now the next thing is, how are we going to know the type of coin that we want to trade? We are on the home page already. This is our home page already, and I strongly believe you've already bind your API. If you have not, just watch my previous video. My previous video will show you how to bind your API so that anything that this app is doing here, it will be reflecting on your Binance account. Okay. Now as you can see, you can make use of Binance, you can as well make use of Huobi. For now, I'm making use of Binance. So if you have an account with Huobi and you are comfortable with Huobi, you can make use of it. But the truth is, people are getting more results trading on Binance with this bot than trading on Huobi. Okay. Now let me explain all these home, quantitative, circle, and news. Home is where you are going to see everything about Royal Queue, API binding, revenue details, transaction, invite, and all that. The section 4, where you are going to be seeing the trading profit, is different from where you are going to be seeing the referral profit. And that is why I like it. They didn't combine it together, whereby when someone show you their screenshot, you'll be thinking maybe it is the referral bonus is part of it. No, the referral bonus section is different, while the trading section is also different. Okay, now we have quantitative, we have circle, we have news, we have mine. Quantitative is where you are going to select a coin. Then you are going to select a coin. We have a lot of coins on this app. Lot of coin that people vote, that they assume that they have potential, they have a huge volume, people are using it every day. So it's not just anyhow coin. It is not all the coin that is here. It is not all the coin that is here. You can't find all the coin here. They select based on people recommendation that all these coins will do fine, and they have volume. Volume means people that are trading with this coin within 24 hours. Okay, and another one is we have circle. Circle means, quantitative means you can select coin by yourself, and circle means there are some people there too that are expert that you can copy their trade. The trade that they are doing, you can copy it, and anything that they are doing, it will reflect in your account. Okay. News means you want to read news about everything, and mine means you need to always check once you are making money. You that you have $20, you will know that once you make profit of $100, that's the end of your $20. You need to top it up. Once you have like maybe less than $5 there, I would just advise you to top it up, because the moment you didn't have money, where you see assets again, this asset, the moment you didn't have any money there again, the bot will stop working. Because the reason why they do it like that is that if the bot didn't stop working and you make money, how are they going to charge that 20% from your profit? Which is why you need to be checking as you are making money. Do make sure that this place as well, you have money there. You have money there that will cover gas fee. Okay. Now let me explain quantitative, where you are going to select coin. The process of selecting coin is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. These are the coin. You need to look for the one that is deep, that has a higher the percentage. Inch, the first one has about -4. The second one -8.4. You are just going to focus on where you see increase. That is where you are going to see the dip at the moment. The third one, which is ADA, has about 4.19. And this is ACRO, has about 9.22. You need to note that that's one of the highest, 9.22. This is another one, ANT, 3.4. Another one, Atom, 2.5. BAT, basic attention token. Basic attention token is 5.2, and this one 2.4, 0.7. This one is increase. Don't trade anything that has a increase, like positive. Always look for negative. Always look for negative. Comp, this one has 6.5 deep. This one has 5, and this is CRV. This one CRV has 6.4. We have two 6.4. We need to be checking. This is another 6.9, 6.03 to be checking. We want to see if we have, okay, this is another one. FTT has 10.9. We need to be checking. Can we see anyone that is deeper than 10.9? If we see, that means that is the one that we are going to go for. Okay, I think we don't have. Let's go for the one of 10.9. But before we do that, I'm going to explain something to you. It depends on your capital. If it is just if it is $100, you can use it to trade only one coin. So FTT, this $1, use it to trade only one coin. And I'm going to show you the setting. Depending on the strategy. Strategy can change at any time, and which is why you need to be part of my group, because once anything changes, I'm going to let you know. You need to be part of my team. Whereby I want to join, I'm going to add you to VIP section, where I'm going to be updating you about what is going on in this industry. So now, FTT, you click on FTT. There are some settings that you need to do. I assume that you've already have money in your Binance account, your trading money, and you've already bind your API with Binance. Then you need to click on trade setting. Remember, you have $100. You have $100. Okay, your $100, your first buy amount will be $10. Your first buy amount will be what? Will be $10. Okay, and here is the setting. Let me show you the setting. Here is the setting. Here is the setting. Your first buy amount will be $10. Since you don't have enough money, which is $100, your margin call limit will not be 7. Can do your margin call limit to like 3. Can set your margin call limit to like 3 here. Like 3. Like 3. Margin call limit to 3. Okay. And all position take profit ratio. It's when you want to take profit. Once the market goes to like 1%, you instruct the software, the bot, to take profit. That means this place will be 1.1. Okay, 1.1. All position take profit. This 0.1. Margin configuration. Buy in callback 0.5, and sub position take profit 0.1. Okay, so 0.1. Now this is how it's going to look like. This is how it will look like. The reason why this margin call limit is 3 is because you don't have enough capital. Is just 10 is $100. So margin call limit will be 3 for $100 capital, because once the coin is dipping, we instruct the bot to continue buying, and once the coin is beginning to increase, it will be selling. to be selling. So buying call limits, all position 1.1, all position take profits, position take profits, callback is 0.1. Is 0.1. Then buying callback is 0.5. Buying callback is 0.5. Yes, this is it. Okay, now the next thing that you are going to do is to click on margin configuration, which is very, very important. Remember, we set the app to buy just 3. That is why you can see first call, second call, and third call. Okay, you don't need to tamper the first call, which is 3.5, the second call, which is 4, and the third call, which is 4.5. The only thing that we are going to look into here is this. The first call 2. We've already installed the software to that our first buy is $10, which means from $100 we have $90 left. $90 we install the software that once it dips to like 3.5, the software should buy 2 times. That means this one is 20 plus the first $10, that is $30. The third one, we installed the software to buy 4 times once the market is deep. That means this one 4 times is $40 plus the first $30, that is $70. Let me see the fourth one. So it means we are going to change this. We can change the second one to like 3. Should buy 3 times. We have for the first call, we've already used $10 first call plus $20, making $30. The second call, $30, making 30 plus 30, that is $60. So the third one we can put 3 here. So let's calculate everything. The first one we have 2, the second one we have 3, that is 5, and at the third one we have 3, that is 8, plus the first one that we installed the software to buy, that is 9, which means 10 times 9, that is 90. We still have $10 left. It's always okay to have money left. That is the setting that you can do for $100 capital. That is setting that you can do for $100 capital. So, which is very, 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 very simple. It's very, very simple. Okay? It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. After everything, just need to click on confirm. We click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you click on save at the top. Once you click on save, the last thing that you are going to do is to click on start. Once you click on start, your bot will start based on your instruction. The bot will start based on your instruction, and every day, some days you will not make money, some days you will make money, and the most important thing is to make money at the end. There are some days that you are going to make money. There are some days that you will make the money that you didn't make yesterday, you will make it today. So conservatively, you will make between 10 to 50% in a month. That is what you are going to make. It's very, very simple. That is what you are going to make. It is very, very simple. So if you have any question, WhatsApp, I'll be there to help you. Thank you so much. Thank you.